Good day, viewers. As you can see, I'm Engineer Crypto by name, popularly known to be called Engineer Crypto. So many more people know me as that name. I actually want to take you on a short video on how you can register an MMM Global. For so many of you have been doing mistakes, your downline have been having mistakes in the registration process. There are a few things you need to always consider. Most times, the referral link doesn't take you direct to the website, so you should be the one to know how to go about registration so as not to fall under a strange referral. When doing registration, you kindly type MMM Global. You can see the website www.mmglobal.io. This is the only recognized website we used to know. We have so many clone websites like this who are promoting this, claiming to be a sincere project. No, this is the real particular and global. So don't make mistake of registering in any other MMM Global. They are all copycats. So once you open the website, the first thing you do, that you open the website, you click on registration. When you click on registration, start loading, it takes you to the registration page directly. Some people, it won't take you to the registration page. Why some people to bring you down here? What you just do is you don't need to click on any country here. You come below, you see it, other countries. You click on these other countries, take you to the registration page. After clicking on this other country, here you fill your name. I can just say my name is Engineer Crypto. You can use any form of name, your nickname or whatever. You can use it here, Engineer Crypto. Then you put your email address. I put my email address. gmail.com. You fill in this, then you input your phone number, your mobile number. You can include your country code. Most times it's very okay, but if you don't put your country code, it has no meaning. Put your country code +234 070 234 70 234 900 10 500 24 174. Then you put your password. You can just put password, repeat the same password again. Then this is the major challenge people are having. You see this invite space, make sure you request for the email address of the person you are registering under. Like for example, my email address, if I'm referring you, you just input, you ask my email address, I give it to you, input my email address here. This is my email address, you input it there when you're registering. You input it, this is my email address, you input it there when doing the registration. This is very, very important. This is the place where people make mistakes. They forget to ignore this place, they forget to input the email. Why this guidance email? You can also repeat my email address there also. The guidance email. Though it is not always important, but you can always input it there. Yes, it's still good, but ignore the guidance phone number, you ignore it, and what have you. You come down from a friend, you can leave this, then input this code. This code, be case sensitive, this code. You input this code, then you do what you tick on this place. Once you tick on this place, you click on register. Once you register, it will bring out successful to tell you, successful. To tell you are welcome to MMM Global. It means you are successful in registration. Then you click on login. Once you click on login, then you go there. You go to the login page to log in your account. Come to the login page to log in your account. Then the next step you log in to go and input your wallet address, your Bitcoin. I'll be taking you on Bitcoin I'll be taking you on how you can create a wallet address later. We'll do that after this, but I want you to understand these techniques on how to go about this and how to register. So here you come, you do this. So this is how it is done here. Come to your account section, you click on account to add your wallet. It's very, very important you add your wallet. You click on add. Once you click on add, you input it. This is the crucial place. Once you click on add account, the first place you go to is Bitcoin. Here, select BTC. It's very, very important. Once you select this first, then you can input your name. You type the name there, you input your Bitcoin wallet address, you paste the wallet address there, then you click on this and you click on save, and that's all for this tutorial. So meet you next on my other tutorial. You can always like my page, and if you are new to MMM, you're here to have somebody to register, you can always use the link, my referral link down below this video. You see always my referral link there. You click on it and you register. So you take care. Bye for now. Meet at the next tutorial.